How to fix Amazon account temporary blocked. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Amazon account has temporarily been blocked. So let's get started. First thing, what you need to do is simply head over to help and customer service of Amazon. So they ask you that if you wish to regain access to your Amazon account, you gotta check your email or text messages for an account on hold notification from Amazon. So let's say if your account has temporarily been blocked or is on hold, you will definitely receive an email or text message stating that your account has been on hold or it has been temporarily blocked. So what you need to do is simply head over to your Amazon interface and sign into your account. So if your account is on hold or it has been blocked, you'll be able to see some steps that you can follow in order to regain access to your account. So simply just follow those steps and then complete the form and include necessary attachments. So some people on Reddit say that if your account is temporarily blocked, you can simply head over and call the Amazon service and they will simply help you in order to regaining access to your account. So you lose access to your account or your account gets temporarily blocked if there is any suspicious activity, or even if someone is trying to hack into your account, like even if you did nothing wrong, but if someone else is trying to gain access to your account, so Amazon will simply block your account temporarily so that your account stays safe and all of your information also stays protected. So that's how you can recover your temporary blocked Amazon accounts. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.